Another satisfied customer, my friends. This should be an easy $27, and we're at LAX. Look, they tried to rematch me for $12 while I was driving, and guess what I said to Uber? I said, hell no. I'm at LAX. Look at all that. I'm gonna just drive right out and take my time and see if I can find somebody for 20 bucks. It's 6:30 in the morning, man. Come on, Uber. Don't try to hustle me when I'm driving. I know the game. I understand the game. Because I understand the game, this is why I'm teaching everybody the game. Let's see what LAX looks like right now. Oh, yeah, 6 out of 10. Oh, man, it feels so tempting to go to the lot. I'm going to work my way to the lot, and I'm hoping I get lined up with something else. But you know what? I've never been here this early in the morning, so I have no idea what's going to happen. This is a first for me. Let's see. I'll keep you guys posted. And these are the details from the first ride. Uber was literally offering me $6, then $12, then $17. I said, no. It's early in the morning. I know I can get somebody that needs to go to the airport. And there you have it. $28. Maybe I get a tip. It turns into $35. And now we're ready to pick up the next passenger. Okay, I have never been to LAX this early in the morning, but I'm just curious to see how many people are here and how the queue moves. So 6 out of 10 for Uber XL. I think I've never seen the queue this low. Personally, I think it might be worth waiting 15 minutes. I could be wrong, all right? I could be sitting here for an hour and nothing's gonna happen, but this is a first for me. Look, I've never been to LAX this early in the morning. Normally, I get here a little bit later, so I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I think, okay, it's 6:30 in the morning. I think I'm gonna go to the bathroom, respond to a couple of comments, take a look at my YouTube channel, see what's going on, and get my thumbnails ready for today. But I'll give it 15 minutes. But my personal gut feeling is it's probably smarter to leave LAX and honestly be at Westwood, like where the interns and the residents are going to be getting around out at 6:30 in the morning from their shift from working 24 hours. But I will sit here and I'll see what this queue does. I'll give it 5 minutes. If in 5 minutes there's nothing coming, then I'm gonna bounce out. Because I think if you look over here, there's just too much 4 stars, right? There's a surge going on. Anyways, if you come to LAX early in the morning, let me know. What would you do? Because this is the first time I've gotten here this early in the morning. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and update the thumbnails from yesterday on this channel. This is my second channel, and as you can see, I haven't updated any of the thumbnails. So all of these thumbnails are gonna get updated with the yellow one, and we're gonna see what Uber has to offer in the background. And we have all the thumbnails updated, nice and easy. Some of them I left a little bit different, so it breaks it up a little bit. Where I'm talking about a goal or a surge, I want it to show the surge, and that's it. Now let's see if Uber jumped or did anything. Okay, it did jump a little bit. But I'll give it another 5 minutes. I'll give it 5 more minutes because I'm hoping something pops up. If not, I think it's smarter to go to Westwood. All right, I got my thumbnails ready. I'm about to export. Let's see if Uber's moving. Oh, it is moving. XL didn't move much. X and Comfort barely moved. I think it would have been smarter to leave. Man, now I have to make a decision because I've been working. Yeah, I think I need to move. I think if I go out, I can probably pick up somebody and bring them back to the airport. It's not worth staying here. But let me check how long I've been here. All right, if you look over here, it's showing 6:35 in the morning is when I got here. Uber X looked at 76. Comfort looked at 46, right? So let's pause for a second. And now this is live. So yeah, about 15 people on both. Uber XL hasn't moved at all. That doesn't make any sense. Uber XL should easily move, right? So there's not too many people coming in. I've been here for 20 minutes. Executive decision, guys. We're gonna leave. I went to the bathroom. I worked because right now it's prime time early in the morning. I think it makes more sense to go and find somebody. Oh my God, that's a huge plane. Holy shit. That one could at least fit 50 passengers right now, right? I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go export, update my thumbnails, and I'll keep you posted. See what happens. We've got the thumbnails exporting. So before I go, I gotta make sure I update the thumbnails for today, so I stay on top of my main job, which is YouTube. Check that out. By the time you guys wake up and watch my podcast, you'll already know $27 is in the bag, and I'm leaving LAX after waiting 20 minutes and realizing I can probably make more money outside. But before I leave, let's double check. Oh my god, dude, it's so tempting. It's so tempting to just stay here. Look, 7 o'clock. Hey, let me know in the comments, what would you guys do? What would you guys do? Because I haven't come here this early in the morning, right? I'm looking and the lot is empty. Half full, and but that means there's like at least 100 people just sitting here doing nothing, right? I don't know, I feel guilty sitting here. I think I can go out and I can make some money. Although I had a $12 ride that was rematching me and I passed on it. Man, I think now in hindsight, tomorrow if I come early in the morning and it rematches me for $12, I'll do it, because I can do that and then come do another rematch, right? I think that's what's happening is people are getting rematched, and if you don't get rematched, then you're like everybody else. You're sitting here and you're waiting, unfortunately. So Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center, Westwood. That's my goal. 26 minutes, 10 miles away. I'm gonna head that way. Hopefully I can get something else on the way. If not, then hey, on my mistakes you guys learn, so you don't have to make the same mistakes here. And now you can see in real time there is accidents, there is a crash. So possibly here and here there might be rides because there's less drivers able to move. I almost feel like it would be smarter to go this way and hug the beach and end up that way. That way I have a potential of grabbing someone to the airport here, grabbing someone to the airport here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So on the left is what Uber as a backup in order for me to get to Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. On the right, I'm using Google Maps to go to Venice Beach. And the goal is to pop out of LAX and see if I get something. And by having both Google Maps and Uber, I can decide, you know, I can change my opinion at any time if I want to go somewhere else. But those are the two destinations I have in mind. Oh, look at that. Right when I popped out, it gave me a 463 Uber XL. I think that was smart to pop out of the queue from the airport and see if something else pops up. Yeah, I think that was a good decision. Because if you look back here, I barely popped out. Right when I popped out of the prison, it gave me an $8 ride, right? I'm not going to take a 463, but if it gives me like 10 bucks, 12 bucks, I'll take it back to the airport and see if I can get rematched. And that will be a good video for you guys. Meaning, while everybody else is waiting at the airport, I decided to leave, bring someone else back and get rematched. And that will actually solve a huge issue that a lot of drivers are happening. Like, why are we sitting here? Why aren't we getting any rides? Well, now you know. People like me go out here and learn, and then we teach you guys. Man, that's nasty. But is it worth getting rematched? Oh, someone else is here doing it. Or unless Uber's lying. But you know, I'm right here by Otis College. On the left hand side is like art and design. On the right hand side is, I think, LMU. I'm gonna take a chance. Like, cause $6, I don't know. I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. God damn it. $5. Look, I passed on $8. I passed on $6. I'm gonna pass on $5. I can't do it. But it will rematch me back to the airport, right? Oh man. Shit, I'm having a hard time in the morning. Fine, I'll do it. Is it going to the airport? Did I get it? I think I got it. I think that's to the airport too. Let's see.